Okay, trading day 9 and 10. We made it to fucking 10. At least I think so. Hopefully I didn't get it wrong. But trading day 9 and 10. Why didn't I upload yesterday? Good fucking question. I was in bed when I realized, oh shit, I haven't filmed today. Okay, it's gonna be pitch black, so it's not gonna be the best of videos, just because for some reason the selfie camera has really bad. Like, look, it's pitch black, bro. If I was in the other camera, you'd be able to see me. It's because it's nighttime, but it's not this fucking dark in real life. Like, I can actually see. But yeah, so yesterday, bro, unfortunately, guys, I missed the scalp session for the first time, which is basically the main thing this whole trading journey is about, because the copy trading is not a skill. The scalp session is something I'm actually doing in regards to developing a skill. But whatever, yeah, ignore the darkness. The reason why is because of my fucking dumb friends and because I'm a retard in terms of scheduling. So basically on me, I went to this careers fair in fucking uni, freshers fair, whatever you want to call it. If you're in Southampton, somehow watching this, you will know. And basically I fucking was gonna leave around 2:20 or something like that, or 2:10, and go home. I look at the fucking time in the place, 2:23. I was like, bro, even if I sprint, I will probably barely make it. I don't want to roughly trade. Realistically, this one day is not going to change my life, because I haven't even watched the weekly backtest, which is the overview of the weekly trades and stuff like that. So I hadn't even educated myself to develop my skills further. So honestly, showing up this extra day will make me better, but it won't make me better to an insane degree. I screen recorded the day anyways on the sport tour I was at, so I'll rewatch. I haven't watched it yet. So yesterday, bro, no trades. I missed the only copy trading of the day. I was in the fucking shower again. I need to honestly just get out the shower really early and work on that. And then today again, I missed the fucking copy trading. I don't even know how, bro. I think I was on Do Not Disturb, because I was on my phone when he sent the trade. Bro, in the span of 10 minutes, it hit TP1. In the span of 30, it hit fucking TP2. So that would have been another 70 quid. So I missed 2 trades, bro, that were winning trades in the last 2 days. Like, bro, if I just did the copy trading properly, I would generally be up quite a decent amount. Quite a fucking decent amount. And then the scalp Discord sent a gold trade today. Again, I didn't even have notification on it. I didn't realize, but nothing happened, so you didn't make money on that. So then in regards to the scalp session, which is the main thing, today was a hard day in my eyes. So basically, I set the support band at the wrong place compared to him. I thought it was at the same candle. It wasn't. It was a bit higher. And so I traded in regards in using that as my support. And so when it first crossed it, again, my confirmation is shit. I took the trade, but I'm just also so slow. I tested today something in MetaTrader. So I was placing trades, looking at the price of the US30, and then looking at the price that, I looked at it when I pressed it, the buy or sell, and then I looked at the price in the history to see what I actually got. And bro, there was actually a difference of even up to 1 pip, bro, of either higher or lower. That's how bad my connection is, or my fulfilling time is, which is really shit, bro. This could affect your trades, bro. So essentially I tested that, and so, bro, even though my reaction speed is also slow, because I just don't have the experience to, bro, I'm starting to understand what my friends are saying. You need to know how the volume moves. That's the hardest part of the fucking trend. Basically, the hardest part is just how the candles move, how the volume, call it that. It's basically how the chart moves. When you think about it like that, think about it like the ocean moving, the waves, you analyze that, right? When you think about it like that and you actually look at it in slow motion and you just look at it back, rewatch, you start to see patterns. You start to see how the candles behave. You actually start to understand a bit. I can kind of understand some of what the fuck is going on. It's really weird. I didn't know it'd be like that, but it's like starting to understand, I don't know, symbols in a fucking textbook. You're starting to actually, you don't understand. Let's say you're looking at a picture, you don't know what it is, and you start to realize what it is. Slowly it comes to your brain. Oh shit, this is a horse, for example, and you couldn't tell that before, you know? It's stuff like that. So today I was looking back at my own trades, because I recalled it, right? And obviously what ended up happening in the sell, it broke down the support, and I got in after it already got to a point where you should have gotten out. And I was analyzing, why didn't I get in sooner, right? And I was watching it back in slow motion and acting as if I was trading live and trying to place a trade. So I watched it, and I watched the way the candle behaves. It goes down a bit and then always goes back up. Goes down a bit and always goes back up. Goes down a bit and always goes back up. So usually, look, it goes down, goes back up, goes down lower, goes back up, goes down lower, goes back up. But before it always goes down lower, there's usually a moment of resistance. Always, bro. And obviously, this won't be for every case. But if you roughly get a rough pattern, you're going to be able to make better decisions, because when you're going to see this live, you can take the trade better. So I saw that, and I was getting ready for the next pattern, and I saw a break, And I knew, okay, the pattern has been fulfilled, so this is going to keep going. And that's when you need to get in. But this one was very fast anyways. Like, there are trades like that where it was just not, bro, you had like less than a second to get in and out. And you can't do that with our current server. So the only explanation that what my friend told me is that you're obviously in the wrong support band. So I'm guessing if you were in the right support band, you would have had more time because it would have been a bigger move. Otherwise, bro, it's just some trades are just like that, are impossible to take. But basically, yeah, the USRT crashed down today. And like, it didn't go straight. It went like this, and then it went down. So I took that trade because I thought it was the wick confirmation, whatever. I think it went up a bit as well. So there was a wick. And what ended up happening is that they didn't take a trade, the mentor. So then it ended up going up, it reversed. And then when it was going up, what ended up happening is that, yeah, so basically it was going up to the support, and then the same shit happened. I took the trade too fucking early because I'm a fucking idiot. And it's because of the same shit. I was looking at the pattern, and it's the same, bro. Like, the way the candle moves, looking at it after watching this video back and back and back, I could have told you that it wasn't going to cross. And I should have waited. And I looked at when he took the trade, and the way the candle was moving, and the candle broke a bit higher after doing the pattern that it usually goes down. Like, if I had to guess, I would have guessed it would have kept going up. You can tell. And then you had the perfect entry. Then you have to be very fast. And hopefully, what I'm gonna do from tomorrow is just start trading at home, bro, with an Ethernet, because I think you can get that fast speed. So if your brain subconsciously analyzes the pattern and sees that playing out, you're gonna more instinctively react faster to the entry point and actually get in at that perfect entry when it's slightly moved up, and then it goes up more. And then when it goes up more, usually you have time to get out when there's a wick confirmation. If there's no wick confirmation and you're just going up, then you need to be very fast. That's a whole other instinct of its own you need to develop. But if there's a wick confirmation, usually you have time to get out. You have a few like milliseconds, second to get out up here. So I found the perfect entry and the perfect X, and it actually makes sense, bro. Like, that's how you make money, bro. That's how you make money on that trade. Like, bro, watching back this is actually sick. It's so fucking good. But, bro, I just don't have time, bro. I'm doing too much uni, too much dropshipping. I don't have time to properly sit down and watch this shit for 6 hours. Because I know if I watch something for 6 hours, I'll probably forget some stuff. But I'll make notes. I'll rewatch it week on, week out. 10, 20 times, however much it takes, because I'm really bad at memorizing stuff. I really struggle to learn from lectures, for example, in uni. That's something I'm bad at, memory. But I know if I force it, eventually it'll be up here forever. So, bro, I wish I could just do that, bro. I wish I had some more time and I could just get off dropshipping for a while. Maybe I should, bro. Maybe I should. Maybe this is a higher income skill. I don't really know. If anyone's watching, let me know the thoughts. Should I just drop everything? I mean, today I made like roughly like 200, 300 probably on dropshipping, maybe a bit more. This is without taxes though. Obviously I need to pay taxes. Motherfuckers might be charging me 40% now. Oh no, it won't be 40 yet. It will be 20. Yeah, that's how much dropshipping makes, bro. But it's stress, bro. So much stress. I don't know, man. I have to do some videos now, bro. I have to fulfill some orders because I'm just wasting my days, bro. I've been wasting the last few days. Like, I could have been doing trading. Like, whenever this happens, I'm always like, bro, I could have been doing this. I could have been doing that. But sometimes I do just like wasting time, you know. Been a while since I've done it. It's just hard, bro. You see other people around you doing it in uni because nobody's doing anything, bro. The only thing these guys live for is uni, bro. And obviously uni hasn't even started, so nobody has anything to do, bro. These guys don't care about getting ahead in life, bro. They don't care about getting internships. They don't have ambitions even within the only thing they care about. Because a lot of these guys, like my friends in my close circle, bro, other than one or two, already have a future set for them, bro. Their family has given them opportunities, internships, jobs. They don't have to even try that much. They just need to get grades. So when it matters is when the uni starts. It's that simple. It's black and white. When you're doing that little, you can't really fuck up unless you're an idiot. So you can afford to have fun. When you're doing as much as me, which is also the other extreme of being an idiot, is you're doing too much, bro. You're going to fuck everything up. You should just be doing one thing at a time. Which is something that maybe during uni I will acknowledge. Like, I still don't want to drop this training thing just because of days like today, bro. Just watching that even for an hour would have helped a lot. And over the span of this next year, bro, I'm going to learn stuff off brain. I'm going to just get used to it. I really don't know if I will make it in this year, bro. I'm just going to be honest with the YouTube, bro. You can document it. I generally don't know if I will be making money by the end of this year, bro. Like 300 days I'm talking about in trading. Bro, because it's an actual skill that you need to actually try on, bro. And I'm not giving it a full-time commitment. I'm not even giving it a part-time commitment, let alone a full-time. If you want to get full-time results in anything in life, you need to give it a full-time commitment. Like, you need to put your time into this. And even next year, if I do a gap year, bro, my main focus is going to be dropshipping, of course, because that's where I make all my money now. And until trading takes over, or it just it's better in some ways. Like I'm making 10k a month, but obviously the time it takes is way less. I'm not going to switch the time priorities, but I will obviously be able to put 3 hours. But 3 hours into this is more than enough a day. More than enough, because the trade itself is 20 minutes. You can then spend an hour dissecting that exact trade, 2 hours looking back at previous trades. That's it. With that, I'm telling you, I can make it in 6 months, I think. If I can't make it in 6 months, bro, then I need to drop it and get the fuck out, because this ain't the right hustle for me. But we'll see what happens, bro. We'll see what happens. I do have faith, bro. Like, I'm going to be completely transparent, bro. I don't know if this trading channel will go anywhere, bro. There's a chance the trading channel fails, bro. In which case, it's GG. If the trading channel fails, it's GG, bro. Like, I can't like guarantee you guys and say I'm 100% going to make it. I can't, bro, because I generally don't know. It's a hard skill. I'm going to try and make it, but I can't promise anything, bro. Like, a lot of stuff can happen on this, bro. Like for it to go right, so much stuff needs to happen. Like, it's not impossible. It's a good fucking trading strategy, so I like it. But I don't know, bro. I don't know. Anyways, I'm making money tomorrow, bro. I have a feeling. I have a good feeling for tomorrow, because I've actually done some analysis. I don't know, man. Let me know if there's anyone that's actually made it. Most of you guys are going to be beginners. I do need to work on the YouTube channel, bro. Honestly, I'm thinking of maybe doing less content and making it higher quality. So maybe like 3 videos a week, 2 videos a week, breaking down the week. But actually making like educational content or something like that. Or just edited content. But I know you fucking how NPCs think. You guys will want to see like a day by day, day 300, day 400, day 500. You want to see daily videos, because that's what drives people. So I can do that. I could do a YouTube short, but I know long form is the best, and it's only 2 minutes. So I could, it's just like the issue with that, bro, is still like, for me to make this video, bro, I want to look at the charts in order to explain it to you guys. But then what that means is that I'll have to analyze it, and I'll have to waste a bit of time editing this, uploading this. Like, if I just did 2-3 videos a day and combined the time that it takes me for all these videos, then it'd be easier. But I don't know. I do think when I do the gap year, I'll be able to put at least an hour into the videos. I'll probably try and not do, but I'm gonna be busy. Like, whenever I have time, I just fill it up with fucking dropshipping, bro, and then I don't have time again. And especially if I'm doing a gap year, bro, like, I have so much shit I need to test. I need to just really schedule myself, bro, get systems in place, and just go based off of that, bro. It's not going to be easy, bro. It's going to be a long road, but we'll see how far I can take it, bro. I think even with the gap year, bro, I'm not going to have as much time as I think I will, because I'm not that good at time management, bro. Probably my biggest weakness. But yeah, bro, I'm gonna fucking Sheena's coming, bro, from the fucking club. Oh, cat. But yeah, you guys can't even see me now. GG. But yeah, bro, it's gonna be a long journey, bro. It's gonna be a long journey. Like, I do wish I could just do one side hustle. The only reason I'm doing 2, right, is because, one, I do want to leave organic down the line, but it's making me money now. But the main reason is, bro, I'm scared that one at some point, because, bro, they're both very unstable, trading and this. You never know what could happen, bro. There could be months where even professional traders don't make money. You always want to have other things that make you money. And usually what people do is they get one main thing like dropshipping or trading, and then invest their other money into assets that will make them money. Those are your 2 avenues. You get real estate, you get this, you get that. But I kind of am chasing this more. Just because, bro, this strategy, like, once I get it down, bro, I'm telling you, I only need... Okay, yeah, I don't really remember what I was saying, but we're home now, so I made it out the uni. And yeah, to be honest, I don't know what I was saying, but I think it was something along the lines of what I need for trading to work or something like that, why I'm doing it for the certain amount of hours I'm doing it. But honestly, the biggest challenge will be balancing it out with everything else going on with dropshipping, with uni. Next year with dropshipping, doing it full time. Bro, this is always life, bro. Life, the hardest thing is just managing your time, bro, with anything, bro. Because people are always like people's dads, for example, your dad, my dad. You always wanted to play with them, right, when you were a kid. And they had work to do, bro. They had to clean, they had to do shit. Like, they had to do their job 9 to 5. Then they had to fucking, I don't know, go groceries, go this, go that, go that. There's always shit to do, bro. So you never really find time to do stuff. It's always just the hardest, bro. They have to date your, like, mum and stuff like that. They have to actually go on dates. There's too much stuff going on, and it's always like that. You always think, okay, when I get to this stage, I'm going to do this because I'll have more time. And it never really plays out like that. Like, I know I'm thinking I'll have more time next year if I do a gap year. But it's probably not going to be like that. I'm going to fill out my calendar with dropshipping shit. And the trading, again, will probably take a back seat. So I need to try and start doing the trading a bit more now, so that next year I don't really fuck it. But at the same time, I know uni is my main thing I need to do now, bro. So in order for that to happen, I need to make these things take a backseat, not uni. So, bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. We might be here for a year, bro, on this trading shit. That will mean I have to pay like a bag, 1.2k to Abdallah, if I'm staying in the program. But hopefully just from the gold trades he puts out, at least I'll be break even. And hopefully in 6 months, I'll start using a live account. I'll probably start making a bit of money. So it's not like I'm going to be losing money, at least. Hopefully. That's the minimum. And hopefully next year, bro, I get a funded account, I start to pass challenges and start getting payouts, bro. You'll see dropshipping going well. I should probably make an e-com channel, considering I can actually help you guys in e-com. I'm actually good. I've actually made money. And I know that's what I want to do more so long term. The likelihood of me doing that is way higher. But I just don't want to leak the source. I just don't want to leak the source. Literally, that's the only reason I don't have a channel. Because I can't make a proper content for you guys unless I'm either lying, which I don't do. I don't lie to anyone. I don't like lying to make money, basically. It's not something I'm going to do. Or I leak my source and kill my products, kill my money. I'm not doing that because I'm struggling as it is, bro. You think I have the privilege to be able to send you guys shit until I drop it or I just no longer want to do it? I'm not leaking it. So that's why I don't have an e-com channel and I have trading. Even though it's not my thing, I don't lose anything by giving you guys this information and showing you guys my life. And I could be doing daily blogs in dropshipping, but they're not going to be relevant to dropshipping unless I leak shit. So it's not going to work out. It's not going to work out. Not as long as I do what I'm doing and until I actually start dropping some of my long-term products where I can actually do case studies from. And yeah, look at the plaques, bro. You think I can leak all this? Nah. There's too much source, bro. There's too much. I can understand why the people don't want to leak it either when you make it. It's like, bro, I wouldn't want to leak it. Like, I'm not trying to leak it either. It's like, there's too much source, bro. There's too much. There's too many rabbit holes. Too much shit that can make you a shit ton of money. That I know if you leak, people make money, a lot of money, but you fucking won't. You won't make a penny, bro, unless you sell a course and lie. I'm not doing that. Maybe I'll sell a course in the future, but if I sell a course, I'm not scamming people, bro. I'm making it the best fucking course in the world. Not for trading, obviously. I'm not selling a course in trading. I'm not that guy. But for dropshipping, like, I could actually sell a course because I can actually teach people. But that will be long term anyways. But yeah, tomorrow we're going to trade. We're going to make 100 pips. I'm joking, but we're going to make pips. I have a good feeling. And I'm going to properly trade. I'll probably do daily blogs, but just don't expect the quality to be good. I'm going to try and make them shorter. Like, I don't even script these. Like, I don't know how I'm going to do it. But the daily blogs is just a better alternative long term. It's not like these long form videos I'm going to make. If I put effort, will get much more views. I don't know. But maybe in the next year I'll start with more educational content, or in a few months when I get my schedule more sorted out, bro. I need to sort my life. 1 a.m, bruv. I'm going to go edit some videos and fucking dropship. But I'm definitely going to do stuff tomorrow. I'm going to wake up early and do shit. I need to get on a schedule. But tomorrow I have to do work or I'm fucked. I'm fully fucked, bro. Anyways, yeah. It's been your boy. And see you guys tomorrow.